Hello everyone, and welcome back to CarOg 765. If you love classic American cars, vintage styling, and automotive history, you're in the right place. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most iconic cars of the 1950s, the 1957 Plymouth Belvedere. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest classic car videos. The 1957 Plymouth Belvedere is remembered as one of the most beautiful and influential American automobiles ever produced. During the 1950s, car manufacturers were competing fiercely to create vehicles that looked futuristic, stylish, and powerful. Plymouth answered the challenge with the Belvedere, a car that completely transformed the brand's image and helped it stand out in a crowded market. One of the first things people notice about the 1957 Plymouth Belvedere is its dramatic styling. Designed under the direction of Virgil Exner, the car featured the famous, forward look, design philosophy. This approach emphasized sleek lines, lower body proportions, and striking tailfins that gave the vehicle a sense of motion even when standing still. Compared to many cars from just a few years earlier, the Belvedere looked like it came from the future. The front of the car was bold and distinctive, featuring a wide grille and dual headlights that gave it a confident appearance. Along the sides, chrome trim highlighted the vehicle's elegant shape, while the sweeping rear fins became one of its most recognizable features. The combination of chrome accents, vibrant paint options, and stylish proportions made the Belvedere a true head-turner on American roads. Inside, the Belvedere offered a comfortable and attractive cabin. The interior reflected the optimism and excitement of the 1950s, with colorful upholstery, chrome details, and a spacious layout. Drivers and passengers enjoyed a comfortable ride, and the dashboard design perfectly matched the futuristic theme of the exterior. Many owners appreciated the large seating areas and the practical nature of the car for everyday family use. Performance was another important part of the Belvedere's appeal. Buyers could choose from several engine options depending on their needs. The car was available with dependable 6-cylinder engines as well as more powerful V8 choices. The V8 models delivered impressive performance for the era and helped establish Plymouth as a serious competitor in the growing performance market. One of the most famous engine options was the high-performance V8 that provided strong acceleration and respectable top speeds. While modern vehicles are much faster, the Belvedere was considered exciting and capable in its day. Whether cruising on highways or driving through city streets, the car offered a smooth and enjoyable experience. The 1957 model year was especially important for Plymouth because sales increased significantly. The bold new design attracted buyers who wanted something fresh and modern. Many customers were impressed by how different the Belvedere looked compared to competing vehicles. It became a symbol of American innovation and optimism during a decade characterized by economic growth and technological progress. The Belvedere also gained a unique place in automotive history through a famous publicity event. In Tulsa, Oklahoma, a brand new 1957 Plymouth Belvedere was buried in a time capsule as part of a city celebration. The car remained underground for decades before being unearthed in 2007. This unusual event captured the imagination of car enthusiasts around the world and further strengthened the vehicle's legendary status. Today, the 1957 Plymouth Belvedere remains highly admired by collectors and classic car enthusiasts. Well-preserved examples often attract attention at car shows, auctions, and automotive events. Enthusiasts appreciate the vehicle's distinctive styling, historical significance, and connection to one of the most exciting periods in American automotive design. Restoring a Belvedere can be a rewarding project because the car represents a true piece of automotive history. Owners often spend years searching for original parts and carefully bringing these vehicles back to their former glory. When completed, the result is a stunning classic that captures the spirit of the 1950s. What makes the 1957 Plymouth Belvedere truly special is its ability to combine style, comfort, performance, and historical importance. It wasn't just transportation, it was a statement about the future. The car embodied the excitement of an era when designers and engineers believed that tomorrow would be bigger, brighter, and more advanced. Even decades after production ended, the Belvedere continues to inspire admiration. Its dramatic fins, elegant chrome details, and timeless design ensure that it remains one of the most memorable American cars ever built. Whether you're a dedicated collector or simply a fan of classic automobiles, it's easy to understand why the 1957 Plymouth Belvedere still holds a special place in automotive history. Thank you for watching today's video on the legendary 1957 Plymouth Belvedere. If you enjoyed this journey into classic American automotive history, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Most importantly, subscribe to CarAug 765 for more amazing classic car stories, reviews, and automotive legends. See you in the next video.